Can I get the grape soda? Grape. Can.
Yeah, like girl, I would have been like, you know what, never mind. I apologize. Because my other people would be on the phone anyway.
Oh. Sorry. Ketchup. It's all right.
Yeah, and she can't say nothing, right? She's an idiot, bro. A whole idiot. She's a whole idiot. Sorry.
All right.
Let me go get to eat.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I judge a man. Some of you all like McDonald's and that shit. Yeah. I don't have any more cash, sir. Some of you like McDonald's and KFC and stuff like that, but as you can see, they're repairing this shit up there. But I like my hole in the wall, literally hole in the wall over there. I like that. And I'm sniffling. You got the yo aimé McDonald's et puis KFC et puis c'est qualité manger ça, mais moi aussi mieux aller en des petits tours de maçon pour acheter manger. Parce que puis meilleur moi pas aimer McDonald's et puis ek. Mon cas dit et puis trop. Si mieux dit ek. All right. C'est temps pour moi virer travail. Oui, merci pour regarder vidéo moins. Si vous regardez vidéo, subscribe. Regardez, abonnez. Ah ben, je suis en français, moi pas encore en français. Subscribe. Et puis aimez, like. So right about now, I'm heading back to work. Today is Friday. Once I get home, back to my garage. C'est ça pour moi vie à travail moins après ça. Je travaille vie au caille moins, aller dire de garage moins là. I'll make another video out here sometime soon. Ok, faire l'autre vidéo là, il y a une belle soleil dehors. Je veux dire, c'est la pluie, parce qu'il y a autant de monde. Moi, je dis, je faire vidéo ça parce que je ne sais pas, je vais l'oublier. Peut-être que je l'oublier, moi. Moi, je fais vidéo parce que moi, je voulais voir comment la vie est jour pour jour en Amérique. On joue la pluie, on joue le soleil. Et c'est même quand La vie, c'est même quand n'importe côté en la terre, là où ka vivre, mon ka travail, mon ka fait bité pour yo ça. Même quand ou ka fait à pays. Copain. All right, so I'm going to end the video here. As I was saying, people live their lives, they go with their business struggle. The struggle is on every day. And adios. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. What up? What up? It's time for me to start enjoying the weekend. And I'm back. I work in the inner city. And I'm back home in my garage. It's time. Man, what are you speaking out here, Tom? That's not English, bruh. Nah, that's Creole. C'est temps pour moi. Commencer week-end là parce que moi de quand là. Mais quand coller vidéo ça et puis on lot parce que si ou pas te ouais moi tiens de ville là moi fait des vidéos en ville là parce que moi te sorti bon aujourd'hui hein. C'est pas tout ça moi c'est moi vais faire vidéo parce que moi signé on y fait travail pour moi travail toute qualité travail pour l'argent travail pour petit project on est de kind moins à souvoir moins. So yes, as I was saying, I don't always feel like making videos. YouTube is not my primary job. I just do it as a hobby, see where it gets me, not taking it that seriously. And I was saying that I work in an urban environment. I'm in the city every day, hard American city. And I'm back home now, and I got lots of projects, other projects to do, home projects, regular home maintenance stuff, and my hobby, my Jeep. There's always something for me to do. I love being active as well as being inactive. Inactivity is nice. Not working is nice. Don't forget, it's a crime to work. The Lord Jesus Christ provided us with everything. Why should we be working? Live like the birds. Bon, Jesus Christ, ba ou tout bitin. Qui sens il ka fait pour ou ka travail? Parce que travail ou pas supposé pour ka travail ou être comme ça la vie. Tous les jours c'est la travail pour faire l'argent. Puis on va passer à Pucci Mokahele. Okay, so back home. I just wanted to make this video to stitch with my other video when I was hiking in the urban jungle. No, I don't like call it jungle. The urban environment. All right. So let's take a little. Let's start to what's that word? Let's take an inventory of my ongoing projects and what I have to do for the weekend. Always got something to do. And nous pon en liste qui dit moi j'ai commencé et puis mon pour faire à ce week-end là parce que moi toujours café quelque chose. So let's spin the camera around and nous tourner la caméra pour voir si ça mon pour faire pour manger ça. Moi j'ai commencé. I already started this shit. Okay, I don't like to curse. Already started the repairs on this gasket. Couldn't finish. I shouldn't have disturbed it. The old one is down there. Maybe I might put it back. Having some difficulty getting this in there. That's one of the projects. I don't know what happened to this. No shit. Anyway, my door panel and my bumper. Big batty gal bumper. That's not a gal. That's big bumper gal. That's just a big bumper. Go boda fam. Yeah, that's one of the projects I almost completed, and that's almost done. I still gotta put the license plate on that shit and on there. So I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to add it to the next one because I got restrictions on making long videos. So because my account is so new and I can't be making hours long videos. And I also got I gotta finish this. Started this about 2 weeks ago. Every day I stick 1 or 2 and then I come back. And the Jeep, it's one of my plans to move part-time back to the island. So plan to reacquaint myself with the islands. And so that Jeep is my project right now, and I'll talk about this another time. Maybe before I leave here, maybe before it lives here, because I'm not living permanently. I'm just back and forth. I gotta replace the engine. Anyway, it's the weekend. I don't want to bore you. Let me get inside. Bon, c'est weekend là. Mon aller de caïman, pour un petit bois, pour un petit wine, beer. Mon aller de caïman, il faut de war. Lapli ka tonbé, ciel la mawe. Ouais, regardez, la boue tout partout là. Non là-bas ka travaille toujours. Il y a après 4 ouais. Et puis, il travaille aussi dimanche, samedi. Bon, moi, là, il y a dedans. Là, mais je vais saisir là. Bon.